Lesson number 5. Me, myself and I. Listen, think and act. Me, myself and I. We went to the kitchen and ate a pie. Then my mother, she came in and chased us out with a rolling pin. Look and see. Myself, kitchen, ate, pie, chased, rolling pin. About myself. My name is Rohan. I am studying in 1st standard. I am 5 years old. I live in Pune. My friend's name is Ajay. My hobby is cycling. My favorite color is blue. Tell about yourself and write it in a few lines. Copy the words in your word file. Throw the ball. Stand in a circle. Take the ball. Tell your name. Throw the ball to your friend. Ask him or her, what's your name? Catch the ball and tell your name. Continue the game until everyone gets a chance. Lesson number 5.